I bet you didn't know your LG fridge ice maker isn't supposed to sound like a drum solo. If your kitchen's getting noisy, keep watching. Ice makers can get noisy for a few simple reasons. First, those cracking or popping sounds. That's just the ice dropping into the bin. It's normal. No worries there. But if you hear loud grinding, buzzing, or clicking, it's time to check a few things. Sometimes ice builds up and jams the maker. Try removing the ice bin, emptying it, and putting it back. This clears up a lot of problems. If things are still noisy, your water line might be the issue. Make sure it's not kinked or blocked. Low water pressure can make the ice maker work harder and louder. Also, listen for a steady humming or rattling. That could mean the fridge isn't level, or something's vibrating against the back. Try adjusting the feet or moving it away from the wall just a bit. If none of this solves the problem, it might be time to call for service. But most of the time, a noisy LG fridge ice maker is easy to fix at home. Now you know what those sounds mean and how to keep your kitchen quiet.